Miche mag jotwech ma Thika Women's Prison noyudo sikuku mondo kamane giyudo jip kod mich mopogore opogore kokalo riwruok mar Dala Festival. Riwruogno Hairino Yuga ojiwo mine mantiere ka twechno ewi bedo gi geno ne ngima mabiro kagikore ne ngima oko mar kar twech. Jokanyo okas chenro mar duoko dhugruok e ute twech ma osebedo wich bar kendo kelo midhiero mathoth ne jotwech.
Our CEO
be able to keep it for you and for the time you are farm inputs that we use in our farm.
Asante sana. Awasalimie kidogo, si ndio?
It doesn't end with them being here and staying here forever in the prison. There's so many things that they can do better, things they can do better after the prison. So that is the reason why we are here today, to encourage them, to speak to them, and particularly as a woman, because they are my fellow women. That is the reason why I also chose to come to Thika Women's Prison.
I was in Langata Women's Prison, where I served term for 1 year and 4 months. And I can tell you, anytime visitors came, and they spent time the way they have spent with us today, eating. You know, this food is not the prison food. Eating chicken is not prison food. Eating meat is not prison food. So this is really, really Christmas, to see people living everything they've got. That is true love.
Today we are here at Thika Women's Prison to come down here and talk to our women, our beloved women, to encourage, to spread love, to advise, and to give hope to them, to remind them that this is not the end, that there is life beyond bars.